Years ago, I had thought about buying a log cabin in the mountains in North Carolina and never took that step. We had come to Colorado to visit family, and I fell in love with Colorado. I just thought it was beautiful. Then we started talking about, well, maybe we'll buy some property and build a cabin somewhere. And I was like, well, I'll sell property, we'll buy this land, and here we are in an e-log cabin 6 years later. So it was a great come together kind of moment for us, because it was something we both had kind of dreamed of and thought about, and we were able to make it happen.
One of the early things when I met Lucy, I had talked about the concept of, I always wanted to build a cabin in the woods. And when Lucy felt the same way and expressed, oh, that's a great idea, we should do something like that together, it really solidified our relationship, besides a lot of other things too, but that was one of the things that came us to building an eLoghomes house together.